What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video, which, as you can see by my face as well as the title, is drift vlog number 2. I'm extremely excited and extremely passionate every time we go drifting, if you couldn't tell from drift vlog number 1. Me, man. Oh, you're kidding me, dog. Oh man, I'm up so bad. There it is! There it is! Yeah, some super awkward, cringy moments on my part, and I do apologize for that, but this is really exciting for me. We are heading over to the oval track, to the skid pad. We are going to our very own private day. We're hosting it with our friend Jason. It's his birthday. Me and his girlfriend kind of put this together for his birthday in a way. So we're really stoked. And then right now I'm here super early because there are most likely some friends here, and I also have a lot of setup to do myself. So I'm gonna see who's here, and we're gonna get some clips beforehand, get OSW paid, or whoever needs to get paid, and then yeah, just continue, have a ball of a day. We are just about done here, prepping the car. Just have to torque her down later. But yeah, we're all set. So now I feel really good about waiting for everybody else. We are all ready to go. That's Nefty, just showed up, old friend from Spark Speed Shop. We got Lars here, everybody's here. We're gonna go try out the new layout, see how it fares. Never done this layout. It's like Spring Break Bash. How's it look?
It looks good.
Okay. So we've never done this layout. I'm probably just going to do a quick lap around it before I completely go at it. But either way, I'm pretty stoked to be here with all these people. We have a really solid squad. Yeah, I'm very happy. Just like throwing everything at it, just trying to make sure it works. Woo, getting a little snappy there. Finally see somebody do it. I pretty much had the hang of it, I think. I did it again. I do that shit all the time, the same exact way. gotta hit this. I gotta get it all, man. All right, guys, so if we can't get it in this lap right here, we're gonna go in just for a second to just kind of let the car cool off and check pressures, see where that left them at. And yeah, but already in the first session, I'm having so much fun. Like, this layout is so cool and it's so good for my car. And as you can see, like, it caters to my car pretty well. I'm just making some big mistakes, like not going wide enough. I'm making it hard on myself, essentially. Off track. Well, rip bumper. There goes our first off track, baby. Let's see what the damage is, but it's probably not that bad. We took a nice little break and we actually already checked out the car and like nothing happened whatsoever. Like I had like a leaf in my brake. That's about it. Like it barely even hit. And yeah, we're just gonna go back out. Tire pressures were crazy as shit. So I'm really glad that we checked them, because now it should feel a lot better. That counts, right? I think that counts. Shit almighty, I just suck at that. So close. They made the track wider, and that should be to my advantage, but I'm not using it to my advantage. So it's kind of dumb on my part. Try that one more time. Alright guys, this is going to be our actual last run before we go in and give the car a little break, because we have gone like 5 laps I think in a row now. Bitch, get that shit out of my face. So we've barely linked this layout. There's an option to do any layout we want between Kidney Bean, Spring Brake Bash, or this layout, which I'll call the Koki Factory layout. And I really like it because it's really good for my car, being lower power compared to having to almost touch third gear in those other layouts. And it's also just like not as common, so I kind of like doing it. That's what I'm f***ing talking about, baby.
You feel me? Gator never been about that. Never been about playing no shit.
Man, it's dope having Nefty out and having other 4-banger cars that are like just struggle fest cars. All of our cars are hard to drive, most of ours. So it's like, it's just generally pretty cool. I don't know what Pete's going for, but oh god, big boy entry. Holy shit. I just want to point out that like what might seem as over enthusiasm is me just like bottled up for 5 years only doing video games and never doing it in real life. So good. I think we're gonna cap off with that one because holy shit. Woo! Alright guys, we are all set. I really didn't film much at the end here because there's a lot of shit to do, including picking up all the cones, which we're gonna do now, but it was a great event overall. Big happy birthday to Jason as per usual. I will catch you guys on the next one. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.